Hello, in this short video I would like to show you how to flash BigClown modules with STM32 utils, which is an application written by Martin Loren, and you can download it on the Google Play. And this application can flash not only STM32s but also BigClown core modules. So now I will demonstrate how you can easily flash night lamp firmware to this power module and push button kit to these modules. So let's start. So all you need is an Android application and this USB OTG adapter with normal micro USB cable. So you connect core module, initialize the chipset, and then you can choose by pressing this icon and updating the list. You can download the list of the firmware which BigClown has, and you choose the radio button, radio push button, which is here, and you press flash. And it's flashing, and after the flash the LED will turn on for 2 seconds, so you can be sure that firmware was successfully uploaded. Perfect, so button is flashed. So I put button here for now, and now I will flash the second module again in the chipset and choose the prepared firmware, and here I need to find the night lamp, LED night lamp, flash. And again it is downloaded from the GitHub, from the releases. Meanwhile I can prepare the DC adapter, connect it to the power module with the LED strip. So this is now the night lamp. Okay, so when I press the button, the night lamp turns on, and this is the remote control. So I can also add the encoder module to the night lamp. So I can change the brightness. Okay, and now I switch to the pairing mode with the long press of the button, and now I complete the button kit and the module gets paired. Okay, and now by pressing the button I can control the LED strip. So this is all. Take a look on Martin Loren's application. It's really great, and thanks to him all this is possible.